Let us look at question number 67. Here four options are given, four sentences are given, and we have to arrange them in a logical order to form a coherent paragraph. And from these four options, one will not fit the sequence, so we have to find out which one does not fit the sequence. Let us see the option. If you look at option B, it says we can have no hesitation in stating that many of our superstitions may be traced back to the Egyptian religion and customs. So this option basically speaks of the origin of our of some of our superstition, and it says that the origin states back to Egyptian religion and customs. Okay, and option C and D basically describe this particular idea only. Here in option C, if you see, the Egyptian priests, taking advantage of the people's credulity, taught that the sun, moon and whole hosts of heaven were endowed with intelligence and exerted an influence over the destinies of men, and they, the priests, pretended to work miracles and obtain oracles and omens. Well, so this option basically explains you how Egyptian priests exploited people's credulity to present themselves all powerful by claiming that they had supernatural powers. Similarly, in option D also, it says that Egyptian believed that the souls of men went into other bodies in death, such as had been virtues going into the exalted bodies, but the vicious passing into mean reptiles and other contemptible creatures. So in this option, we are told that what ancient Egyptians believed happened to people after death. So this also has to do something with superstition, and similarly this also has to do with the same, the superstition related to omens and miracles, pretended to work miracles and destinies of men and all that stuff. So but if you look at option A, it says a completely different thing. It talks about magic. Magic was a science in which the Egyptians excelled. Its attainment was esteemed the highest exertion of human intellect. So this is completely out of context over here, because here we are in these three options we are talking about superstition, and how superstition, many of our superstitions may be traced back to Egyptian religion and customs, because Egyptian priests used to do all of this and Egyptians believed all of this here. So all these sentences are discussing, all these three sentences B, C and D are discussing superstition in a generally negative way. Therefore considering option A here would be incorrect, because it speaks of magic as a science and an intellectual achievement, and it's spoken in a positive light also, and therefore this cannot be in line with the rest of the options. So the correct sequence will be option D, C and then B. The Egyptian believed that the souls of men went into other bodies at death. We can have no hesitation in saying that many of us may be traced back to